Okay, so like, I'm at a car wash. Yeah, I'm working. Yeah. So I'm trying to get these people on these roads. You know, them roads out there, you see them? Yeah, I'm trying to get people to come here and like, get their car washed. And they won't do it. It's getting hot. Very hot. That's on my camera. Watch this. So look, there's passing by. There's another. There's another one. And yep. And another one. So yeah, they're like just passing right by me. And then there's somebody leaving. It's just I'm ready to be able to get this car washed because we're trying to raise money to go to the ramp. Yeah. So yeah. That's over and out. I'm saying Glazelle. Never mind. Bye.